my channel. Today is another baking video for you, but it is not going to be a gluten-free or a dairy-free or an egg-free cake. This is actually the 90th birthday cake that I made for Dan's grandma. And the reason why I want to show you this is because it is the best cake I have ever made personally, and I absolutely loved it. All of my magic is done in the decorating, so it'll be more about the decorating than anything else. The sponge is amazing in its own, but the decorating on this one was absolutely beautiful, and I just want to kind of show you the decoration and what I actually did for it, and then obviously show you the finished product and the setup at the end of the video. So if you do want to see more videos like this, do feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell down below. That means you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will just say I sound very horrible and grotty today because I feel very horrible and grotty, and I have summer cold and it's horrible, and I've just had to reapply my makeup to my nose because all my makeup had gone from me blowing my nose so much, and my throat's sore and I need a cup of tea. So I'm going to go and make a cup of tea while you watch me making this cake.
Oh no. We have a casualty. Oh no. Bye, egg.
that was the 90th birthday cake for Dan's grandma. I absolutely loved it. Just if you liked it, you know, do feel free to comment down below. I do read the comments sort of in my videos, and people do send me things on Twitter and Instagram as well, so do feel free to get in touch. Let me know if you'd like to see some more baking videos like this in the future. I'm always very, very happy to bake, and whenever I bake something, I will try and do a video. I do actually have a great big birthday celebration coming up this weekend that I am going to be baking for, so there may be another video in a couple of weeks. But for now, that is everything from me. If you did like the video, do feel free to give it a great big thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed already, click on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one.